So, hello guys. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, guys. Shout out to the whole wide world. So, dahil na po tayo guys nakapagpagas kasi sinabi guys ng anak ko, yung pangalawa, yung grade 12, si Cyrus, na wala na siya. Empty na yung ating gas tank. So, tinanong ko siya kung gaano pa karami. Sabi niya nasa first line na lang siya guys. So, first line meaning reserva na lang ang gagana na nun dito. So, it depends kung gaano kalayo yung kilometers na kaya niya. Pero hindi na natin hayaan na mag-below pa dun sa standard na line ng gas tank natin guys. So, nagpagas po ako dun sa UFA. So guys, I'll do Taglish because some of my subscribers or followers are from different nations or different countries. So we'll just do Taglish, okay? I don't know when I posted this video will have a subtitle guys, so we'll just use Taglish, meaning Tagalog and English, okay? So yeah, there. So I charge fill up my tank at UFA because that's the gasoline station that we're member of, and I think it's the cheapest gasoline. I don't know, I'm not sure, but somewhere here in town, especially the gas stations, the regular gas stations here are so my saliva is spitting because of my braces guys. Some of the gasoline stations here are a bit expensive due to the factors that it's a small town and the oil reserva is not that closer to this area or vicinity guys. So right now I'm at the parking lot of Tim Hortons guys. They have a line, so let's finish the line at the drive-thru. Earlier when I parked here, they have at least 5 cars, but right now you can see one at the window and one at the speaker box. So let's finish their line, and then they're fully loaded at the parking area. But you know guys, even if the parking is full, they're not really customers of Tim Hortons. Sometimes you just found cars that are rested here, meaning they're just resting and passing by through this town. Okay, so excuse my grammars guys, okay? I'm still trying to learn and practice my English language guys. Yeah, so I decided to make a quick vlog because first of all, our friend and co-worker here at Tim Hortons, so shout out to Mark, is his last day today at Tim Hortons due to the immigration issue, right, that's going on here in Canada. So I'm not sure what date. I think I asked him already on my previous live at TikTok the other day, but I forgot. I easily forgot guys. I easily forget some things, especially I don't know, I just practice like if I'm hurt or I had a bad day, I just don't try to remember everything. I just let it pass, and then tomorrow I forget. So that's why I think my brain already processed to be like that, like what do you call that, auto memory storage. So guys, there. So after this car guys, we're going inside. So as of the moment, they have one car at the window. So look at the sun guys, see, sparkling with a orange Corona or whatever. And secondly guys, I cannot disturb my husband. I can't even talk to him because he's focus again playing Mobile Legends. So what I did after we went to GP, I did not capture much at the road on our way to Grand Prairie because we just tried to fix some documents in there. So it's not really that important to share it with you guys because it's a little bit private. So yeah, along the way when we're about to go at Grand Prairie, the road there is smoky. I don't know where is the smoke coming from, guys. So hope the people from where the smoke is coming from are all keeping safe, and hope the wildfire that is going on in that area is being contained already. Yeah, so let's all pray for the victims of wildfire, guys, because we once had a part of that wildfire issues last 2023, I think. Yeah, we used to before. So guys, we're going inside now, huh? By the feet. I know the song is nice. For the days of my life. Okay guys, let's do this. I'm gonna close the window. Darling, I will be loving you till 70. So yes. So guys, let me just recap you what I did after we went to GP. Okay, when we reach home, guys, we just ate, and then I did some of the chores, guys. So I'm a little bit shy, guys. Yes, I'm a little bit shy right now. So we'll do a 360 later, guys. So here's the car of Mark, guys. There. We're gonna enter Tim Hortons, guys. Tim Hortons. Okay, they don't have any customer. Ellie is already looking at me, guys. Hello, hello, hello. I already, rented your lobby. Nobody's here. Let's do a 360, guys. Nobody is here. Miss D. Miss D. Just a disclaimer, I'm off today. There is Ellie, guys. Let's update my channel. I don't have nothing to post there. So. Yes. Okay, guys. This is all they have tonight, guys. Okay. Blueberry cheesecake, but it's not the correct item, guys. Huh? They're already in the stage of closing the store. So they're just selling whatever's left. Yes. Okay. I don't know this, guys, if it's working already. Let me feel it. Oh, it's working because it's been having issues for the past week or days. And then let's have a sneak peek here at the window. Oh, they have a customer. Sorry. There is Mark. Let's see here. Hi, Julie Vega! How are you doing, huh? Say hi. Who's the supervisor in charge tonight?
Talking to someone.
Mars!
Talking to someone, si Mark.
Mars! Here's my lovely supervisor. Mars, can I enter the vicinity? So, girl, guys. Galing-galing ni Julie, oh. Pak, pak, pak. So, guys, yes, I'm here in Tim Hortons Valley View. It's not a live, it's just a recorded vlog. See, guys. I'm asking permission. Mag-check ako ng schedule. Birds! Happy birthday to you. Ice cream na ako. Kumain na ako. In-order ko. Nakita mo, di ba?
Ice cream cake.
Pards, gusto kitang interview. Gusto kitang interviewin eh. Putik na yan. Nakipag-chismis. Nakipag-chismis na ka pa sa window. Okay lang yan. Oh, yan. Bini. Oh, si Bini, guys. Oh, si Bini ay may kausap na bebe. Uy, Julie, mag-hi ka naman sa fans club mo. Hello, fans club at Pampanga. Let's wait for Vini. Vini Viracha. I wanna flex Ellie. State your name, address, telephone number, signature. I'm just bugging them. Nice and bright tonight, guys. Mars, I'm gonna check my schedule. Tomorrow, do I have a shift here tomorrow? Can I go inside, Mars? Wala akong pakausap sa bahay. Ha? I can go inside. Yeah, I'm not bothering you, right? I'm not bugging you.
Wala kami bukas eh.
Wala ka
Wala
bukas.
ako si Mar.
Ay, Wednesday pala. Oo.
Wala si Eddie. Wala ako.
Sino bukas? Maze. Mag-isa. Maze and ako.
Wala si PG bukas.
Ano, dalawa lang kami duty, Mars?
Okay. Si Marlo.
Aba, kasyip ko si paring Marlo bukas? Kasyip ko bukas si paring Marlo? Yan, guys. I'm just there. I can check my schedule. Okay. Mars, why? It's your day off tomorrow. Do you have a date? Miss Dia. Hack. Guys. Mars! I miss you, Mars! Paano ka? Na-spray. Putik na yun. Last day mo na lang, mag-injured ka pa.
Magsasel pa na sana ako sa emergency.
Na-spray siya, guys.
Hello guys!
Hello, guys.
Oh, thank you. May ice cream cake to sa place. Pinili ako natin.
Uy, happy birthday, Happy birthday.
Hello guys! Uwi na!
Vacation na!
I already
Yeah.
got my PR!
Yeah, you already got his PR, guys.
Philippine rest.
Philippine resident.
It's a Philippine rest, guys!
Check ko lang pa yung schedule ko. Ano ba yan? Kaship ko pala si si Marlo bukas. So, guys, let's check our schedule tomorrow. So, 2:30 Julie. Maze. An ako Marlo. Okay, so 1 2 3 3 4 5. Lima pa rin pala kami. So, lima pa rin pala kami, guys. So, ayan, guys. Lima pala kami bukas.
Mas may duty ka ba bukas?
Mars, meron lima pala kami bukas.
Dito?
Oh, isa dito?
Kayo, ano? Dito, may duty ka bukas.
Oo, meron.
Isa ka man si
Putik na parts.
Meron eh.
Paano kung mag-aano bukas? Ay, paano ka titirada mamayang gabi mo ng parts?
May na ako uwi pa, alas 3, so sleeping.
Ay, di. Ano yun muna, parts?
Pagkano ako na sila na kailangan yung photo ba?
I-ano muna, i-meet mo na ang morning shift. Parts.
I-ready ko na Mars, ako na mahal. Kahit sa tinatrata ko na yung mga ano. Magpalit na kayo bukas, sige, okay lang.
Kailan ba birthday ni
Or?
July?
Oo.
July
Alis
20.
na kami ng ano?
Kailan?
Ng...
So guys,
What? Sabi namin yun eh.
July 1. July. Ah, uuwi din siya. Ah, okay. Siya lang ang uuwi.
Oo.
Ah, okay. Nakapack ka na, Pards.
Ha?
Nakapack ka na. Nakapack na yung bagay niya.
Nagpadala ko sa yung mga pito.
7 box.
Kasi meron pa ako naka-radio. Magsasabay pa ako pagpa-uwi ko.
Minsan, nakaka-excite din umuwi. Pero malungkot din naman.
Oo.
Oo.
Pero ganun talaga, Mars. Wala tayong...
Wow. Kaya nga, Pards. Di bali magbabago pa rin naman yun. Oo.
Ang ano lang naman, Mars. Bata pa
Isipin mo na lang, ano,
Bata pa
bakasyon. Oh,
Bata 30 lang ako, Mars eh. Madami pa ako tatukain. Madami pa akong dadaanan ng mga dinaanan niyo.
Pards, uwi na to guys kasi milyonaryo na to.
Hindi na, tumama ako sa loto, guys.
May 10 million ka na ba, Pards?
Yung sasakyan ko, yung pay, tumama sa loto. Yung poste ng loto.
Guys, may 10 million na to. Nako, immigration. Ayan na, tinatawagan ka na. Oh, yun na nga. O, ito naman si paring Ellie, guys. Siya naman ang... Pards, wala akong makausap. Guys, I don't have nothing to talk to at home. So, I will bug them for a while. Say, Julie is focus. Focus on the order. May pupunta ka bukas? Naka-request leave ka pala bukas. Request day off ka. Mars. So there you go, guys. We're just bothering them. So I have work tomorrow. Soup and sandwich niya si Maring ano. Si Julie. Ay, oo nga pala. So, ayan guys. Mag-sit tayo doon. Mag-sit muna ako doon.
Sige.
Guys. Let's sit down there. Let's watch for them. They are busy preparing for the closing shift. Let's see the view of Vinny, Vera. May pupunta kang kabukas, boss? Ay, Mars, sorry. Ha? RD. So, kasama mo si Ellie. Punta GP? Guys, binibenta ko na talaga tong si Vinny. So, guys, would you like to... would you try to look for a possible boyfriend for Vinny? He wants, what do you want, Mars? Tall, dark, and handsome?
Tall, dark, and handsome.
Tall, dark, and handsome, guys, ha? Mars, yung last customer mo, pwedeng-pwede na yun sa'yo. Yung kanina, yung matangkad. Saan sinabi mo, Beb, did you cook some rice for us? So, guys, there. Look at my outfit, guys. I did another shower, guys, before I came here. Kasi I did some chores at home. So, we're gonna stick around here for another 10 minutes. And we're going home, guys. There. So, I'm gonna just sit here and sit down there, guys. Oh, the lights is a bit against the light. So there you go, guys. So it's the last day of Mark Martin, and he said that the birthday of Juliana, so happy birthday Juliana, will be on July 24, but they will go home in the Philippines in July 1st. Yeah. So there, guys. I empathize with him of, losing the status as a temporary worker here, because I was once a temporary worker, and it took me 7 years, guys, to have permanent resident, and it took me 6 months to have a new employer and to be relocated at Regina, Saskatchewan, way back 2017. Yes, 2017. So my work permit then got approved on March 10, 2017, and then I started April 18. That's our monthsary. 2017, guys. Guys, look at Ellie. Shout out Malabon City. There you go, guys. Ikaw pala ang lobby.
Ngayon mo lang maglalaro.
First time. So guys, we're not buying drink because I had ice cup already. Ininom ko yung dalawang ice cup cards. Dapat yung dalawa dun sa mga anak ko. Kaso lumabas yung pangalawa ko. Kaya ako na rin ang uminom ng isa. Isang large tsaka isang Oreo. Ano daw?
Kailangan.
Ha? Wag mong iangat.
Open up na.
Ayan, binabalik niya guys yung mga upuan, guys. Wala lang, tamang trip lang ni Ellie. Yan, binabalik niya. Binababa niya po ulit, guys. May pasok ako bukas, parts, double job.
Saan?
Dito, doon, sa SBR at saka dito.
Dito SBR?
Oo.
At W, din yun.
Wala akong schedule doon kasi nga late na push yung schedule namin sa SBR. So,
Paano ikaw wala?
nagawa na nila 2 weeks advance doon. So, ayan, wala akong schedule
Wait,
doon.
nakita pa ako na wala, naglalakad ako eh.
Sinabay ka?
Then, sa labas, naka-duty,
Ah.
nagkakita ng park.
Nantok na ako.
Kaya pa ako, nangangulat ako.
Yan, pumunta ako dito to do video and say, you know, last sneak peek on Mark Martin, no, at Tim Hortons. Alam mo, parts, masaya naman umuwi. Kaso nakakalungkot kasi this is it, you know. I know the feeling nang mawawala ng kontrata. Yeah, anyway, may 10 milyon naman si paring Mark. May 10 milyon naman si paring Mark para makapagnegosyo sa Pilipinas. Oh, ano man nilang as sa parts, as a vacation, ganun talaga.
May anak buhay din naman.
Oo naman. Oo naman. Sumasakit na naman yung tiyan ko, parts. Uwi na yata ako. Kasi cream yung tinira ko eh. Yung dalawang ice cup na pinagawa ko, cream kasi. So guys, my tummy is upset again. Because the other ice cup that I drink earlier was made of cream. O siya, uwi na ako. Hindi ko ba mati 360 si paring Mark? Busy yata si paring Mark eh. Pinicture? Okay guys, I'm going. Parts, mag 360 na tayong dalawa. Mag 360 na tayo. Dito tayo. Paring Mark, halika naman. Ay, oo nga pala, hindi pala siya makakilos. Ako na lang iikot sa kanya. Yan guys. I'm gonna do the 360. Oh, tumingin ka. 360. Yan, 360. Tigutan ko siya. 180 na lang guys. Okay. Oh, Mark, uwi na ako, ha? Kita-kita tayo outside. We'll see each other outside of Tim Hortons. Kailan ka ba magpapainom? Puntahan kita.
Hindi naman ba tayo? Hindi naman ako papainom ng tatay. Gusto mo. Punta ako lang ako kahit ng oras.
Oh, sige.
Huwag na alas 8 umaga ah.
Ay, hindi. Wag lang. Wag lang alas
Bata eh.
Hindi, magbabakasyon kami. Hope ma-approve.
Kaya nakuha mo yung order, sir.
Okay guys, we're going home. Oh, welcome Philippines na.
Bye, see you, Philippines. I got my PR.
Oh, na-sprain pa talaga siya guys. Oh, bye Julie. Bye, good night. There you go guys. That's it. That's I can't do full 360 with him because he got a sprain legs. And that is Bini. Bini, good night. See you on Thursday. Grabe naman itong isang kotse. Kung maka-high beam, para ako nalula. Ayan o. Kinikindatan. Ellie. Madilim na ba? Paano tong kumag na to? Guys, look at the car. Maybe for him it's too dark already outside. Putik, naka-high beam ang putik. O siya. Nakakabulag. Ang sakit kaya sa mata. O sige na, bye! Bye everybody, good night! Okay guys, we're going home. This is a Pancit. So guys, there you go guys. Hey, put na yan. So the time check is 9:15 guys. So we're going home. At least we saw Mark on his last shift. So he cannot focus anyway guys because he's doing a closing procedure. So there you go guys. We're going home because I still have chores to be done. And we're double job tomorrow guys. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoy my vlog tonight about Brother Mark's last day here in Tim Hortons guys. So let's set a date with him, have a drinking session before he goes home on July 1st guys. Okay, thank you for watching guys. To those who haven't subscribed our channel, and thank you guys for our new subscribers, and we're slowly getting there guys. We're already 34 subscribers. Congratulations to us guys. Oh my god, my saliva is spitting guys because of my braces. It hurts. Yeah, there's nothing so important about my vlog. It's just that I wanted to see Mark on his last shift at Tim Hortons. Yeah, I'm happy for him and his family because at least in some point they are stick together in going home, traveling safe, and have a business to start in the Philippines. At the same time, it's a little bit sad because yes, why it have to happen again for foreign workers who have contributed a lot to the economy of Canada, especially here in Alberta, Canada. You know, it's so hard for every temporary worker, be it a Filipino or be it an Indian, be it whatever African, or be it American, or whatever nation that are temporary here in Canada, you know, just to end their careers. They left their country to have a brighter future here in Canada. But, you know, their dreams are far from their finish line. So I empathize with them, guys. Because maybe God has a plan in the future for them. And as the saying goes, when the door closes, another window opens. So yeah, I do believe in that. So guys, thank you for watching and subscribing, guys. Let's support our channel. This is all I can offer you for today, guys. There's no other things to vlog here. It's a small town.